Hi Caps! Happy anniversary as sa magjowa and finally this is it.
I know that I
Kabado, parang mamaya.
Excited. Kinakabahan.
Sana maging perfect kahit may mga situation na unexpected.
So, March 16, 2026. Then, same lang. Naging kami is March 16 din. So, last ng celebration namin is March 16. So, isang date lang.
Way back 2012, enrollment. Second year college kami nung nag-decide siyang manligaw. And then after 7 months, saka ko siya sinagot. 12 years po ngayon. Thank you sa pag-attend.
That you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me dive in. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can try what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go.
Panghabang buhay na ito, Christian and Alo. Panghabang buhay na ito.
Ito na. Ito na yung new chapter na pangarap natin before, and thank you kasi dumating man yung pagsubok sa atin noon, pero pinatunayan mo na tayo talaga. Happy anniversary. Love you.
My love, ngayon, my wife na. March 16 and the only date we have to celebrate all of our best days.
I love. Ito na yun. Ito na yung na-plano natin, hinihintay natin noon pa. So, good luck and enjoyin lang natin yung araw. And ito na yung simula. Simula ng mga pangarap natin. I love you, my wife. Soon.
Okay, Chan. Alam kong nasa tamang panahon na ng pag-aasawa mo. Lalagay ka na sa tamang panahon para magkapamilya. Basta magmahal lang kayo ni Ana. Masaya na rin kami.
You have someone who's strong, thoughtful, at sobrang dependent. And somehow, in your own way, you make the people around you feel steady. Kasama na siyempre ako.
Noon pa nakikita ko na sa kanya talaga, papakasal kami. So ngayon, matutupad na. And so, my love, Analu. So ngayon, magiging my wife. Thank you and I love you.
Lord, thank you sa araw na ito. And naway maging successful lahat. And thank you sa good weather. Naiiyak na ako.
Thank you Lord. Salamat.
Hi, Caps. Ito na. Happy anniversary and thank you kasi mas ma-effort ka in terms sa preparation kasi syempre may personal tayong pinagkakabisihan pero ikaw yung pinaka hands-on sa atin para dito sa wedding.
Kasi syempre, nagsimula tayo na kung gusto natin yung isang tao, papakasalan natin. So tuloy-tuloy natin para wala tayong pag-isihan. So syempre, pag mahal mo, lalaban mo.
Good luck sa new journey ng kanilang buhay. More blessings to come at bagong simula sa kanilang dalawa.
Para sa akin, successful sana yung marriage life nila. Forever.
To the ninongs and ninangs, to the entourage, relatives and friends, Christian and Alo, good afternoon. Today is your day. Today, Christian and Ana Maria Analo brings your love before the altar of God. And this love that you bring here today, remember and put to your minds and to your hearts. The love that you bring here today, it will last until your last breath.
Happy 16 to us. Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin and super thankful ako sa lahat ng effort mo para sa araw na ito.
Being with you, saka ako na-realize na hindi pala kailangan maging complicated ang love.
Christian and Alo, this commitment, these responsibilities and duties embodied sacrament that you receive because of the love, being husband and wife, again, it will last until your last breath.
Grabe ang bilis ng araw. Pinapaplanuhan pa lang natin noon, then ito na tayo ngayon. Papasalamat ako kay God kasi sa dami na naging stress sa dumaan sa atin ay naitaguyod natin ang kasal natin.
Pagkasama kita, things just make sense. Minsan tahimik, magulo, madalas sa away. But always real out. Palagi tayong totoo.
Sana ay maging mas matatag pa tayo sa darating na araw, lalo na't mag-asawa na tayo and di isa na ang ating pamilya.
May mga random na arguments and the laugh of ordinary moments. Pero doon ko lalo nakita kung gaano ka ka-importante sa buhay ko.
Rest assured, we were made for this. We were made for this. Call me up before in forward motion.
Love is so mysterious and unconditional. And katulad siya ng kasabihan, love is a mystery. Kasi grabing pagsubok din yung dinaanan namin before. Sa haba-haba ng posisyon, sa simbahan din ng Diyos. And thank you, Lord.
We were made for this.
Again, the commitment that you will receive today, that you will embrace today, that you will live out today, starting today because of the love. And you will affirm this by your answering yes and I do later on. Maria Analo, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love in the service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ngayon, hindi ako gagawa ng dramatic promises. Pero ito, I promise to be your partner in the real sense of the word. Yung hindi lang kapag madali ang lahat, kundi lalo na kapag mahirap at hindi sumasang-ayon na panahon.
Let's seize every moment and live our life to the fullest. I love you.
Pinipili kita ngayon, noon, and I'll keep choosing you palagi. And I'm really glad na ikaw yung pinakasalang. I love you.